I am broke.
Mari isangana isati yasvika kuKenani.
It is of revolutionary imperative that I clarify all contradictions to my fellow citizens. I rake funds to engage day-to-day life programs, contrary to the belief of the masses at large. It will be disingenuous and misappresentation of facts to make gestures suggestive of myself as being in possession of anything with monetary value. It can be best deducted that the budget needed to carry out day-to-day operations of my life is reaching zero as the limit of time approaches infinity. Criminal Codification Act of 1962, Section 2, as read with Section 2C, shows the financial prejudice to myself to be zero if a thief were to steal my wallet. It appears the figures round up to zero, even leveraging on an escrow account, and there are no prospects of raising more than $0 from anywhere. The inner aspect of the pouch lateral to my right thigh is empty and shows no signs of life. Wangu, ama one. Henceforth, let it be known unto thee that the pocket of thy garment consists of nothing but emptiness.